may request na naman po for Ilbo ang Secretary of DPWH para po kay dating Secretary Bonoan. Ito po ba ay napirmahan na po natin?
Processing. Ano yan? Matatapos yung kagad.
Opo. Sir, tapos po sinabi po ni Senator Lacson na sinabi niyo daw po kay Senator Soto na hindi niyo raw po pipirmahan yung
Hindi kasi
request
nga,
for Discayas na state witness.
ang pagkano na sa Whistleblower Act, para ma-include ka dyan, may mga conditions tayo. And isa ditong condition talaga, kasi nga, given what we know about the case, yung restitution naman, kasi iba na to, ibang level to. Tsaka hindi lang yon, kailangan sabihin lang buong katotohanan, hindi pwedeng selective. Sa mukhang hindi tayo papunta ron, so talaga sinabi ko kay Senate President na kung ako talaga ayokong bigyan niya ng status kasi hindi forthcoming. Dapat yan talaga to tell the whole truth. Hindi pwedeng mamili. Dapat niya sabihin niya yung buong kasaysayan at saka yung buong katotohanan.
Sir, what about yung House po? Ang sinasabi po nila ngayon, baka mas magandang maging state witness yung engineer na Bryce Hernandez saka yung iba pa pong
We will evaluate
taga-DPWH.
everybody. Evaluate natin yan. We have several laws that concern whistleblowers. Among them, the Whistleblower Act and of course, the rules of court and other jurisprudence on state witnesses.
Sir, sa Bungero, sir, next week po magsa-start na po yung PI natin. Sabi po nung abogado ni Atong ito nga daw pong si Dondon Patidongan dapat daw pong sabihin ng lahat at magpakita ng ebidensya at wag daw pong magtago sa likod po ninyo.
I do not want to comment on the case. It's an active case. Let them say what they want to say.
But sir, what do you want to tell po the families and maski po yung mga respondents po?
3 years na natin, mahigit 3 taon na to na trabaho natin. Ayaw mismo ang testigo dyan na hindi natin binibitawan to. Kahit na paano, we kept the case alive and we'll get it done.
Sir, on the ICC naman po, yung lawyer po ng mga Duterte, si Kaufman, ang sinasabi niya, yung pag-announce raw po na magiging witness, ito nga pong si Garma, ay patunay na political move yung mga nangyayari ngayon kay dating Pangulong Duterte.
I do not want to comment anymore on that issue because it's something that has to be litigated in another jurisdiction. So we do not want to be politically involved here. Sinabi ko lang talaga yung tungkol kay Garma kasi nga hahanapin sa akin yan at mabuti nang alam nyo kung saan papunta. Hindi naman ako nakikipag-usap sa ICC tungkol dyan sa kanila yan, sa kanilang galaw yan, hindi sa atin yan.
So sir, yung pag-escort ng NBI kay Garma hanggang
hindi yan
po yun,
sinisigurado lang namin na doon talaga siya papunta at yun talaga yung pakay. Kasi mabuti na yung alam mo kasi hindi mo alam.
But what happens next, sir, after her meeting with the ICC?
Hindi ko na alam. I don't want to comment on that anymore kasi mabuti nang patakbuhin natin yung kaso as it is. Patiskartihin natin sila.
Sir, sa flood control, may update na po ba dun sa lawyer po ng isang contractor na lumalabas?
Wala pa. Pero ngayon, the NBI is giving me findings already. Nagbibigay na sila ng findings about those projects. And we'll be filing cases very soon.
What kind of cases?
Titingnan namin kung kaya plunder. You'll see.
Tapos sir,
Conversation, sigurado.
Regarding sir sa truth commission po ni President Marcos, meron po kasing truth commission yung Aquino admin sir na na-declare unconstitutional.
Oh yes, that was taken into consideration when this truth commission was drafted. The EO on this was drafted. Kasi nga, ang naging comment dyan ng Korte Suprema noon, it was only pointing to a specific person. It was actually a commission against GMA alone. Ito kasi talagang it's a commission to find out the truth about all of this corruption in the DPWH for the past 20 years. Hinahanap din natin ito.
Tapos may concern din sir yung Supreme Court na baka daw po maging tool for retribution nga po.
Hindi, yan? It will, they will have to submit their findings to the proper prosecutorial officers for this to work properly. Malaking tulong yan kung ma-organize na yung evidence para mabilis ang takbo ng justisya.
Baka may assurance din po, sir, ang government sa mga iimbestigahan po ng flood river.
Kami, we will rely on the evidence. Cooperation will go a long way. And if you try to stonewall, then face the consequence.
Sir, hindi ba mag-overlap itong investigation na ginagawa ng Congress?
Hindi naman, may limit naman lahat yan. In the end, it will fall, it will go to the Office of the Ombudsman and the Department of Justice, whatever court will be needed to hear the cases.
Pero sir, makagamit din ba yung magiging committee report ng mga committee sa Congress?
Meron din naman magagamit yan. Oo. I'm more excited about the Truth Commission kasi mas thorough yung usually yan. Ang experience natin, when we get these legislative reports, they are not as comprehensive as they should be. Sometimes you think that you can already file cases because of their committee report, pero alam mo naman, deep inside, hilaw pa, kailangan pa rin i-case build up lang.
Any info sir, sino mag-lead?
Hindi ko alam. Yeah, thank you.
So willingness to return, non-willingness to return the sum, may ballpark figure ba sir how much? O yung the sum that came
Hindi, forensic accounting naman natin yan eh. Whatever they declare and whatever the accountants find out will be two separate things. Kaya hindi nila pwede itago yan.
Sir, maski yung mga engineers ng DPWH, ano sir yung gusto nyong hingin? Kailangan magbalik sila talaga?
Talagang magsalita na sila kasi ano to, pinag-uusapan dito life imprisonment.
Magkaka-case order ba sir sa kanila kahit ongoing pa rin?
Lahat yan, meron yan. May forfeiture proceedings yan. Marami magiging proceedings. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you, sir.